and today I'm covering fit for work because Scott is still fast asleep. Yeah, sleep. Important for work, but why? Well, the average adult needs between 6 and 8 hours of sleep per night. Why? Because it improves our concentration. It also aids creativity. People who have more sleep are less likely to suffer from depression. And did you know that a good night's sleep can aid weight loss? Now, a good night's sleep for most adults is between 6 and 8 hours. Oversleep can be just as bad as undersleep. Have you ever slept in and felt really sluggish and rotten? So, sleeping. The best way to have a good night's sleep is to prioritize sleeping. Set yourself a time to have sleep. Just don't fit it in around the rest of work. Secondly, declutter your bedroom. Get rid of iPhones, computers, TVs, flickering lights. A bedroom should be cool, dark and quiet. Now, I would of course advise having a Scentsy warmer on with lavender. Remember, it's a flameless candle, so we can deliver that fragrance that's known to aid sleep, but without the dangers of the naked flames. Finally, with your bedroom, you should try to unwind before you go to sleep. So listen to music or read a book. TV or computer games and then going straight to bed aren't great because you've still got a very active mind. The idea is to still the mind and allow the mind to work through any problems you've had in the day and come up with creative solutions. So, that's all from me now. I need to roll over and pop back to sleep. So, bye for now.